First, we need to open the Galaxy wearable app on our phone. In the app, let's tap on the settings, right here, then select Galaxy Store. In the store, let's tap on this icon right here to open the menu, and I'm gonna select Essentials category, for example. And here we have a list of apps we can install on our device. For example, let's install this one, so let's tap on it, then tap install. Now we need to log in into a Samsung account, so let's tap on sign in. Tap right here, enter the email address. Then tap right here and enter the password. Give me a few seconds, I'm gonna enter mine. Then tap sign in. Here tap on accept and download. Now we need to install additional app on our phone. Tap OK. Here tap on install. Then close this. After it's done installing, open the Galaxy wearable app. Again, as you can see, now we can tap on open or delete to remove it. Let's tap on open. As you can see, the application is opening. You can also open it by pressing the home button to open the menu, and here you can scroll down and find the app on the list of apps right here, I believe. Should be here somewhere. Oh, it is right here at the bottom. And you can tap on it to open it like this. And that's how you install the apps on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.